So now it's time to taste the cake, and I have my brother over here. Atatuonjea. Can you say something? Can you say hi?
Yeah, hi, my name is Lewis. Go follow my Instagram at lewisawiro9.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's AC and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my banana cake recipe, and I hope you're gonna enjoy and learn 1, 2, 3. So let's get into the video, guys. All ingredients that I'm using in this video and all the utensils that I'm using are easily found in the kitchen, yeah? So you don't need to go and shop for anything. Yeah. For every cup of flour that I use, I'm gonna use 2 eggs. So because I'm gonna be doing 3 cups, I'll use a total of 6 eggs in this video, guys. As you can see, guys, I've started off by mixing the dry ingredients, that is the flour and my baking powder, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of the baking powder, guys. So now I'm just making sure that my baking powder and the flour have mixed really well. In this other bowl, I'm gonna be doing my wet ingredients, and I'm starting off with the eggs, guys, and I'm using 6 eggs, yeah? This is 1 cup of vegetable oil. So now it's time for the bananas. I love bananas. I'm gonna be using 5 bananas, and I prefer blending the bananas, yeah? But if you want to just mash the bananas with a spoon or a fork, go ahead and do that, guys. It's your kitchen. For this recipe, what you need are very, very ripe bananas, guys. As you can see, my bananas are even turning black, but the riper they are, the yummier my cake will be. Yum, yum, yum. By the way, guys, my hands are very clean. 1 cup of sugar. So now I'm going in with 1 cup of milk, and it's gonna help my cake to be moist. I'm gonna blend all this together and make sure that the sugar is well dissolved and my banana is well blended. So now I'm gonna put my blended mixture to my egg and oil mixture. So now I'm just gonna mix my dry ingredients with my wet ingredients and just give them a good stir until I see no lumps. So now I'm just going in with about a teaspoon of salt. This is now a good time to preheat your oven at 180 degrees, but I forgot to do that, guys. As you can see, guys, I'm taking my time while doing this and just making sure I have no lumps in there, yeah. Can you see how well my mixture looks? This is how you know you're gonna have a moist cake, guys. I'm just gonna be using a normal sufuria and I'll just apply some oil to it so that my cake doesn't stick to the sufuria, guys. Yum, yum, yum. It already looks yummy, delicious. So now I'm just gonna put my timer at 1 hour. So I went back to check my cake after about 30 minutes, and as you can see, I normally use a knife to just check if the cake is cooked. Can you see how good it looks? You can even see from the color that the cake is well cooked. Clean knife equals well cooked cake.
So hi guys, my name is Lewis. Go follow my Instagram at LewisOrder9. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, that's my brother, y'all. Are you ready? Are you ready for this cake?
It's good.
Ooh la la! So tell me how it tastes.
It's banana cake?
Yeah, banana cake.
Wow,
Chef,
it's good.
thank you, made this clear. I am the chef.
Let me tell you, it's yummy. Guys, you should have tried this. Yeah.
Do you want to give a shout out to any of your friends?
Yeah.
Tell them to subscribe down below, comment, share.
My friend Simon Coleman and yeah, that's that.
Just Simon?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. You have learned a few things. Yani mmejua kupika ka banana cake, yeah? Subscribe, like, share with your friends, your family, and everyone that you know, yeah? Peace out.